back? Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that.
Welcome back to my completed renovation project at 7 South Hampton Court in Rocky River. Remember before we had an ugly cabinetry built in here that I took out, added height to the ceilings by adding wainscoting around the sides, and obviously removed all of the hideous floral wallpaper and the pet stained carpet and replaced it with luxury engineered hardwood flooring and a nice neutral tone of gray on the walls. This is one of my key decorating pieces that I use in all of my projects. The significance of the moose is my husband is Canadian. He represented Canada in 3 Olympics in track and field, and obviously my children are part Canadian. So a moose is a big symbol of Canada, and we take this guy with us on all of our projects, and when he's not in a renovation, he's at home. And then the kitchen, if you remember before, there was wallpaper on the ceiling and carpet on the floor. So we kind of opened it up, made it bigger. This is my biggest kitchen I've ever done. But you're going to spend most of your money on a renovation in the kitchen, and it's definitely well worth it because the kitchen is the heart of the home where people spend most of their time. And I think this one just turned out absolutely amazing. So here's the new renovated master suite. Put in a new light fixture, obviously took down all the wallpaper, got rid of the paint carpet, fresh coat of paint everywhere. And the best part I think about the master suite is the ensuite bathroom here. You don't want to forget the laundry room, even though, not a lot of people like to do laundry, but at least if you have a beautiful space, maybe you'll enjoy folding the clothes more. Thank you for stopping by and checking out the finished project at 7 South Hampton Court in Rocky River. The renovation, after all this work has been done, will increase the value of the home by 40%. If you want to take advantage of this market and getting into figuring out how you can get into renovating homes, let me help you. There's lots of homes on the market. They have a lot of potential, and I have the experience that can point you down the right path. It is difficult, it's stressful, but it is very rewarding in the end, and I think that this is one of my best projects, and I'm excited to take on more. So contact me if you have questions, and I can help you as well.